So today we are going to take the seat off of this 1987 TW200 made by Yamaha. Pretty simple procedure. All you're going to need: socket wrench, extension, and a 10mm socket. And for the video, I'm going to use a little flashlight just to help improve your sight. So if you go underneath the seat here, I think you can probably see that all right, but use a flashlight to help. There you go. You got a bolt there. And there's our other bolt. There he is. So I'm going to take those two bolts off. So okay, that's one. Okay, so seat should just come right off at this point. Give it a little tug backwards, and there you go. Now you can get to your battery and whatever else. Let's see, there you go. That's where the one bolt went, and that's where the second bolt went. So there you go. That's how you remove the seat from a Yamaha TW200. So I'm gonna get the gas tank off, and I'm gonna take my carburetor off and give it a cleaning. I think that's where my issue is right now.